how to turn off Face ID for private browsing. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Face ID for private browsing in Safari. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. Over here, scroll down and tap on Safari. After that, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. Then you'll see an option called Require Face ID to unlock private browsing. Over here, toggle that option off. It will scan your face to confirm and the feature will be disabled. Now, when you go back to Safari and switch to private browsing, it will no longer require Face ID. So that's how you can turn off Face ID for private browsing in Safari. That's all for this video.